Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Vistaprint business card design. All right, first up, go ahead and log into your Vistaprint account. And once you're in here, just go ahead over to your projects and open up the specific business card. Okay. For example, I do have this standard business card right here. Just click on edit, wait for it to open. And once done, once you're on the studio, you can go ahead over to the top right and click on preview. Okay, just click on it. Now in here, as you can see, we have at the top left, download PDF proof. Just click on it. It says here to make sure a document comes out just the way you want it, get PDF proof to print and review. Okay, now just click on get PDF proof. It says here, we are creating PDF proof of your design. This can take a few minutes to complete. You can continue to edit if you want to. If not, just wait for it. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and click on continue editing right here and just wait for it. Okay, now as you can see here, download page popped up. So just go ahead and save it wherever you want. For example, I'm going to go ahead and save it on my desktop right here. Then you can go ahead and rename it if you want to. Just click on save right here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Just for you to see. As you can see here, we have the proof. Okay, and that is it. Now, if you're looking for a way to download the full design without this proof word right here, well, unfortunately, you won't be able to do that. Now, if you just want to create a template for your business card and you don't want it to be printed, you can just go ahead over to Vistaprint right here. Again, click on Vistaprint. Now, just use the Vista Create website. Okay, right here, just use a custom size if you want to, and they have templates here as well. Okay, and there you have it. That's how you download Vistaprint business card design. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.